This is arriving in Fox Glacier on the way back up the west coast. The weather's been amazing, but it looks like it's coming back in. It's only $2.80 a litre. How does your water taste?
Same as all the others, no different.
Here we are, Fat Pippy's Pizza in Hokitika. That's the sunset on the west coast. I wasn't expecting to see a weka, but... So this is Hokitika. The water here tastes the same as well. Here we are at Arthur's Pass, 4,700 feet. We're at the EV station so that we can recharge and use the facilities at the toilet, which is also an avalanche shelter. Safety plus. It's a bridge. That one's got nuts like 2 avocados. White bait, paddy thing. Give it a go. It's hot. Oh yeah, that's good. It's French for toasted sandwich. Right, this is going past Hokitika. Didn't have the camera running yesterday as we turned up, so this is a morning blast to show you the coastline. Well, we just went to Westport and had a really shit breakfast. I just had to have a stop and have a minty. But the bikes look fucking cool, don't they? Yeah.
You better get out while you can. We were broke, cold, let in, pushed out. Thought and leave.